How to fix your Black Ops 6 cannot join your party. So let's get straight into the video. Well, there are a couple of steps that you can follow. The first thing you want to do is check your online status. You want to go to support.activision.com/online services to check if the servers are up and running or not. If that is not the case, you want to go to settings and account and network. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and make sure that your party privacy is set to open or friends only. You can also simply go ahead and prevent or closed party or invite only may prevent others from joining. You want to also try restarting your game and device. So close your Black Ops 6 completely and restart your console or PC. You can also try simply checking your internet connection. Simply go ahead and use a wired connection for a better stability. If not, you can check your Activision account and friends. Make sure that you and your friends are signed in into your Activision account. If you're not being able to join, then you can simply ask your friend to invite you, or you could also simply go ahead and invite your friend to your party. You can also check your party settings by going to settings, account, and network, and make sure that you are not in a party that is completely full, because party does have a size. If nothing works, try resetting your network or even contacting Activision support at support.activision.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.